everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be learning about Microsoft Excel. So without any delay, let's start to our video. So what is Microsoft Excel? Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program designed for everyday tasks such as setting up a budget, maintaining an address list, or keeping track of a list of to-do items. Excel is a part of Microsoft Office and comes preloaded on your computer. Microsoft Excel is a very similar to Microsoft Excel 2010 in appearance. If you are new to the interface or the backstage view, this gives you an opportunity to get accustomed to the new interface before upgrading to Excel. So, what do you have to do to open an Microsoft Excel is just go to the start button here, hit to the start button, and or just search here in the button MS Excel and just hit the enter. This is the icon for the MS Excel. Here you go, this is the icon for the MS Excel, and this is the interface you get to know on the screen. So the Excel screen appears and a blank spreadsheet is displayed. This is a blank spreadsheet which is displayed on the screen. A spreadsheet is called a worksheet. This is called a worksheet, and this is called a spreadsheet. And worksheets are stored in a file called workbook. Workbooks can have one or more spreadsheets in them. So what is it? So number one, what we need to learn is number one is columns. You know, these are columns. These are columns. Number A, B. So this way we go. These are the columns. There are the columns, infinite columns. These are the columns in the worksheet. This is our worksheet, and this way these are the columns in Microsoft Excel. So what is the next? The next is step 2. Step 2, click on the file tab. Once you click on the file tab, this opens the backstage view of your workbook, where you can open save files, get information about the current workbook, and perform other tasks that do not have to do with the content of the workbook, such as printing or sending a copy or sharing a copy of it in email. So now let's go to the number 3, step 3. What is the step 3 for the today's MS Excel tutorial? The step 3 is in each tab in the ribbon displays commands that are grouped by task. These are the commands grouped by tasks. You will probably spend most of your time using the home tab. You will spend most of your time using the home tab when you are entering and formatting data. You will use the insert tab to add tables. Here you can add tables, and you can also add the charts, recommended charts, pictures, or other graphics, anything, 3D models, maps. And you can also use charts here. You can use anything. You can use 3D map from the insert tab. And next, go to the page layout. In the page layout tab, we can adjust the margins. We can adjust the layout, and especially for printing. This is for the printing. This is especially used for the printing, the way we would like to print. And the next is the formula. In formulas tab, we use it to make calculations. We use it to make calculations on the data in our worksheet. And let's go to the data tab. From data tab, we can get in the other data from different sources, our recent sources, different sources from web, from table or range, and get data from Excel sheets. And we can also use data types like stocks, currencies, how to convert into currency pairs, convert into stocks. Next one is review tab. Here you can translate the languages, you can check the spellings, you can use the thesaurus books, you can add comment, You can delete comment, you can protect your seat, keep your passport on your seat or workbook. The next tab is View tab. From the View tab, you can use the page break. You can lay out your page. You can, as a custom view, you can zoom in, zoom out, or create, add new window. And next tab is Automate tab. This is used to record your worksheet, or you can write the new script. And the help is if you get any problem of you are getting hard to understand anything about the Excel, then you can contact support or you can seek help from here. So now the last thing is now what is the last thing we are missing is the we are missing something we are missing is the pane along the side of the Excel starter window includes links to help and shortcuts to templates. Yeah, just I told this is the pane help tab, and from here we can get links to help and shortcuts to templates and clip art to give you a head start in creating workbooks for a specific task. And this is it all for the first part of the tutorial of MS Excel. This is a basic MS Excel basic. Thank you for watching it. The next part is about your editing worksheet, how to edit worksheet and learn more about exploring the worksheet, how different tabs and what are the functions that we just learned in different tabs over here. We will be knowing about that. Thank you for now. Have a great day. Bye bye.